Pack up your bag, we're heading outside, where critters roam and the woods are wide. We'll pitch a tent, build a fire so bright, under the stars, what a magical night. Camping with critters all around, in the trees and on the ground. From squirrels to owls and frogs in the stream, it's an outdoor adventure, a nature dream. Look, there's a rabbit hopping by, a raccoon peeks out, oh my. Fireflies twinkle in the cool night air, critters and campers everywhere. Camping with critters all around, in the trees and on the ground. From squirrels to owls and frogs in the stream, it's an outdoor adventure, a nature dream. The wind in the trees sings a gentle tune, while the wolves howl up to the moon. The stars above, the ground below, with critters and friends, we're ready to go. Camping with critters all around, in the trees and on the ground. From squirrels to owls and frogs in the stream, it's an outdoor adventure, a nature dream. So pack your gear, come along, join the critters where you belong. With the sounds of nature, day or night, camping with critters feels just right.